Do you also think it's annoying when your foreground and background colors in Photoshop are constantly being changed? Especially when working with specific color values like those of corporate identity. It's incredibly helpful to always have the exact colors at your fingertips. To assign your own colors to the plugin's presets, you have three simple options. You can apply your current foreground and/or background color, choose just one of them, or manually pick new colors using the color picker. This gives you full control without interrupting your workflow. Compared to Photoshop's default swatches, which take 3 times the space and only change a single color, the plugin offers several useful advantages. Through the right-click menu, you can apply your saved colors directly to pixel layers, text layers, or shape layers. And even to multiple layers at once. If a selection is active, you can fill it with your foreground or background color. If there's no active selection, a new full-size color layer is created instead. This layer can be edited at any time, either by double-clicking or using the plugin again. In addition to filling, you can also apply the saved colors as a stroke, as a normal overlay, or as a hue-only color overlay. This is particularly useful when coloring shadows or highlights, and it all works without opening the Layer Style menu, even across multiple layers at once. As you can see, the color combination you save in the plugin can be used in a wide range of ways, without adjusting your Photoshop color pickers manually. Download the free trial now and experience how much easier and faster your daily work in Photoshop can be with this tool.